Hey, welcome to the shortwave radio channel, and decided to take out the Kenwood R-5000 for a spin. I'll be using it as my main shortwave radio for the next 24 hours. So what I did is I plugged my in-fit antenna, half-wave in-fit antenna, on the that I use usually on the Yaesu, into the R-5000, and we'll be checking out how it performs compared to other radios. I do have the MLE30 on the ICOM SCR 8500, so of course that'll be the completion of the frequency range I'm listening to. Checking out the let's check the 20-meter band, see if it's receiving anything. Bands seem pretty quiet tonight. If I look at much here. WRMI 9955. Voice of America via Botswana 9775.
La colección también siga Israel.
WRMI 9395 coming in quite well. So anyways, I'm going to have fun with this radio, and we'll be tuning around the bands and see what we can hear. Of course, being on the in-fit antenna will be better in the daytime, as I will be tuning to higher frequencies. Out of curiosity, let's probably propagation's not in, but see if anything's popping up on Super Bowl channel, which should be quiet at this time late at night. Yeah, I know there's a gang hanging on 27205. Don't know if they're there tonight. Nope, pretty quiet. So anyways, going back to one of my my favorites that I purchased in 1990. Was my main shortwave receiver for a while. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.